This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Robin.aggers. What a great find! This home is ready for a new homeowner. All one-level living with 2 full bedrooms and 1.5 baths. Open floor plan with new flooring and paint. Living, dining room opens to kitchen with lots of natural lighting and small deck out back for barbecue. Clean and move-in ready. Easy access to hospitals, shopping, schools, and golfing. Come make this adorable home yours today. For more information, review the details below or contact Robin.aggers at 865-966-1111.